If you want to watch NBA League Pass on YouTube TV, here's how to set it up. First, open YouTube TV and use the search bar to search for NBA League Pass. Select the NBA League Pass network from the search results. Once you open it, you'll be able to see upcoming NBA games and available content. To watch the games, you'll need to add NBA League Pass as an add-on to your YouTube TV membership. You can do this by selecting one of the games and tapping the option that says Add NBA League Pass to watch. Next, choose the subscription option you want. You can either subscribe for the full season or choose the monthly plan. After completing the purchase, NBA League Pass will be added to your YouTube TV account and you'll be able to stream live and upcoming games. You can also save games to your library by tapping the three-dot menu and selecting Add to Library. This lets you record specific games or even all NBA events automatically. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.